Let me show something. So here is AI graphic. If I show you the AI graphic, we have increased by 200% from previous 28 days. As you can see, even in the last 7 days, we have got 40 referrals from ChatGPT, 4 referrals from Copilot and Perplexity AI. And it's actually very hard to get referral from the LLMs like this. But I'm going to show you the trick with that. We used CopyRocket.ai, which is our software, and I would like you to try this out. And we have this AI mentions feature, and we have 2 platforms enabled for this. First is Google AI Overview or ChatGPT. So we are also aggregating data for the Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude. It may take some time to integrate that as a. So here, just give the name, for example, competitor, and after that, go to the domain section and type your competitor's keyword. Okay. For example, let me type this github.com just for the reference. And here you have the minimum AI search volume. So if your competitor is very high in graphic volume or very popular, then do that with the help of this. Otherwise, it will give you so much data that you may not like to perform. So for this, it will shortlist only the volume that has at least 100 AI search volume. So sources, either you can sources for first users or the sources for the citations. I want it from the citation, not for this. Now click on run analysis. Now it will start running analysis for you. And there you go. So this is the status issue you will get. So MLS domain or target is only this particular domain, which might be your competitor's domain. Profile impression is around 32 million. AI search volume is huge, but we are only shortlisting minimum 100 keyword volume, and you can find all of these here. So right now we only offer 100 mentions, but in the future we are going to add up to 1,000. So better to block your pricing just now, and you will get same exactly like this. After you get this, start analyzing the search result for this. So it will tell you what type of AI is giving its answer to the user. So the format here is, as you can see, the what there's control this too. There isn't one universal thing that happens. There you go. So it will tell you the general for what it can do. So there's a list of things that it can do. Copy this answer, use a copy button, and you have this keyword already ready. Now you can simply go to AI writer here and add that and give the instruction or give the prompt and start writing it. For example, the editor will look like this. Editor has everything that you need to start creating awesome content. So it can research SERPs for you, and then it will create a SEO meter with the semantic keywords to target. And you can simply create or generate outline and start writing your content in your tone and in your format. You can also build internal links in one go. As you can see, all these links are internal links that can be added with just one click. It will analyze all your site data that you have connected using property section here. So this is how we are integrating general engine optimization using this particular tool. And repeat that process every day. See what your competitor is doing using LLM mentions and grab all the keywords you want and start writing it, and you will rank on generative engines in no time. So how did you like this trick? Do let me know in the comment box, and do sign up for the CopyRocket.ai, and we are adding so much more apart from these features.